In this video, I'll show you how to set up a wired connection on your PS5 Pro. Now, first things first, you have to plug in the Ethernet on your PS5 Pro Ethernet port. So let me just do that. Now, once you plug in the Ethernet, you should see at the top right corner, the LAN cable is connected. Now, once you see that notification, all you have to do is go to settings. So select the settings wheel icon in the top right corner, and then select network, and then choose settings again, and select setup internet connection. Now from here, you should see under the networks found, you should see this prompt, setup wired LAN. So select that, and then you can type in, or rather you can name that connection to something that you'd like. And then once you're done, select connect, and now that will set up the wired connection on your PS5 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.